Hey everybody, welcome to the show today. Today I'm going to be unboxing and checking out some new equipment for my shop. I have a WIN, it's a 3-speed air filtration unit. The model is 3410, and I also have a Shopbox 1.5 horsepower dust collector that I'm going to set up here, just trying to get up and running, and I felt like I needed to have some more air filtration. Walking around here, I have dust everywhere on top of every surface from sanding and cutting and doing all the normal stuff I do in my shop here. So the air filtration unit from WIN is going to be hanging right above me, and that should help filter out some of the fine particles from doing the sanding and other work around my main work table here. I got the Shopbox dust collector, and that is going to be a major upgrade for me over a standard shop vac that I've been using. A lot more suction power there. Let's go ahead and get right into this. I'm excited to get these set up and start using them. I ordered this from Home Depot, and the box was delivered to my house. It looks like it's in pretty good shape. I don't see any damage to the box. Looks like the shipping packaging is all in one piece. That's always a good sign. Small box in here, make sure you keep that. So it looks like right away WIN has put a handle right here for lifting this. That's a great help even for getting it out of the box, which can be tricky sometimes. Pretty simple packaging, just styrofoam on the ends and your typical plastic. See what we got in this small box here. I'm hoping it's going to be the mounting remote. Yep, here's your mounting hardware and your remote control. This is one of the features that made me want to get this, the remote control on and off. Felt like being able to turn it on without having to reach up or plug in something was going to be a great benefit. So when I'm unboxing tools for the first time, I like to take inventory of everything I've got. Make sure I have everything I need to be able to put it up. And it looks like for this, I have 4 hanging hooks here. And then I have 4 hooks that are going to go onto the top here of the box. And we'll take these shipping ones out and screw these on. And then these 4 are going to go up in the ceiling. And then I have some nuts here that are going to go on the inside to hold these screws in place. At first glance, everything looks like it's in good shape. I don't see any damage to it, as expected by the shipping container being in good shape. Let's go ahead and take a look at the filter here and what it looks like inside. So we have 2 filtration units on here. We have an inner and an outer. So here's what the inner looks like. That hangs in here to catch the fine particles closest to the fan. Then we have a box filter here. Looks to be in good shape. Simple clip to replace it. All right, let's go ahead and take these screws off the top here so I can get the hangers put on there in their place. Now they gave us these 4 hooks, and what we're supposed to do here is screw these down And this is our leveling mechanism. So we can screw these in farther, or we can screw them out to adjust the level. So when I get this up, I'm going to screw these in, try and get them about the same height, and then I'll put my level on it and make minor adjustments and then tighten these nuts down onto it. Next step is going to be to hang these up in the ceiling. And as you can see there, I got it level. Get y'all a shot here without those lights being too bright. I decided that I did not like it hanging so low. My shop doesn't have a very high ceiling, so having it hang the full width, so I doubled them back up. I have it level now, so I'm going to just tighten these nuts down to lock those hangers into place here, and then plug it up and we'll test it out. All right, everything is set up. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see what happens. Just like that, we got power. Let's test the speeds. We're on low right now. That's medium. That's high. You can set a timer. 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour off, and then the whole unit off. And that wraps up the install of the Win 3-speed air filtration unit. My thoughts on this purchase so far have been positive. I really enjoyed the ease of the setup. I only had to install screws, adjust the height on them, and then I had to hang it. The hardest part was leveling it. I had to improvise a little bit. I was worried about the noise. Turn it on here to high. It's not that loud. That's going to be drowned out by the dust collector unit, so I'm not worried about that at all. So overall, I'm very pleased. It looks like it's a great built product for the price that you pay. I've seen so far, Win is making a pretty comparable product, so I'm very pleased with it. And let's get set up for the next one. I'm going to be opening up the shop box dust collector unit and putting that together. Just stay with me.